Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph C. Fries, ang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to review the Voltes 5 Legacy from Toy Company Limited, Telesuccess, all rights reserved na action figure. Post nyo na lang kung gusto nyo mabasa in description. Super cool 45 cm na action figure. And this is Voltes 5 out of the box. Yan. 17.71 inches tall. So this is Blanca. Yan, para lang meron tayong size reference. Blanca from Jada Toys, Sagat from Jada Toys, and McFarlane Toys na 7 inches tall. Both, ito si Sagat 7.5 and si Blanca 7 inches tall. This is just a very quick review of the Voltes 5. So you have the color scheme na blue, yellow, red, and gray. Hindi siya white. Off-white siya. Tapos you have the red na mga segments, yellow segments, and white na segments. Dito mas white yung paint na in-apply nila. The paint is very cool. Tapos yung the height itself very nice. Talagang malaking-malaki siya compared dun sa 30 cm. Malaking difference. Meron din akong 30 cm dati and custom repaint natin yon, and both sold na. Tapos ito, i-custom repaint din natin to na naka-pose siya ng punching pose, and this one i-bend din natin yung elbow. But this figure is very cool. You have the armor segments. The chest is very bulky. You have the head, yellow eyes, the face plate. Meron din siyang backpack, some sort of backpack dito sa likod, one of the vehicles. Tapos meron din siyang legs, and sturdy legs para sa stability ng figure na hindi man siya matutumba. Tapos meron din siyang mga rockets or missiles dito sa lower part of the legs, and then you have the yellow na wings, and then red shoes with the wheels, and then booster din sa ilalim ng shoes for flight purposes. Wala lang siyang mga weapons, pero overall this is a very nice na action figure na Voltes 5. If you want to buy this, punta lang kayo sa Toy Kingdom or or Toys R Us para makabili ng mga Voltes 5 na 45 cm. So yun, thank you very much for watching and see you. Teka, articulation muna. Articulation, head can move 360. Arms can move, can rotate. This one, the arms can also rotate. Yung shoulders can rotate. Meron din cut dito sa torso. Meron din cut sa legs for rotation only. Kung di siya bend, rotate din to. Okay? And also yung feet na rotate din. Okay? So that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye!